This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the primary mouse button in the Linux Mint operating system. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on the Linux Mint operating system now. To change your primary mouse button should be set to the right side, but to change that to the left side or to change it back to the right side, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is open up the system settings. I'm going to go down to the lower left hand corner, down to my little menu button. I'm going to left click on the menu button. Then I'm going to go up to the system settings icon, and I'm going to click on system settings. Now in the little dialog box that opens up here, you want to scroll down to where you see the hardware section. And in the hardware section right here, mouse and touchpad, you want to click on mouse and touchpad. Then at the very top, under general, you can see it says left-handed mouse button inverted. If you toggle this on, it will change your primary mouse button to the right side. And then to toggle it off, to make your primary mouse back to the left side, you just toggle it back off. That is how to change your primary mouse button in the Linux Mint operating system. Thanks for watching.